Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that make a difference in your daily routine. Today, I'm excited to talk about something that can elevate your oral care: the Philips Sonicare 6500 Series Electric Toothbrush. If you've been struggling with plaque buildup or simply want to take your brushing routine to the next level, this might be just what you need. And before we dive into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest reviews. Let's get into it. The Philips Sonicare 6500 Series Electric Toothbrush combines advanced technology with thoughtful design to bring you a more efficient, personalized, and gentle clean. This toothbrush boasts a powerful yet gentle sonic technology that promises to remove up to 1,000% more plaque than a manual brush, achieving whiter teeth in just one day. The toothbrush also features a pressure sensor, a visual light ring that lights up when you're pressing too hard on your gums, helping you protect your delicate gum tissue. What sets this model apart is its 3 distinct brushing modes: clean, sensitive, and white, with 3 adjustable intensity levels. Whether you need a deeper clean, a gentler touch, or extra whitening, you can customize your experience to suit your needs. On top of that, the SmarTimer ensures you're brushing for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes, while the BrushPacer encourages you to different areas of your mouth every 20 seconds for an even result. Using the Philips Sonicare 6500 in my routine was easy. It's intuitive, and the different modes give you control over how you want to clean your teeth. I really appreciated the pressure sensor, as I tend to apply more pressure than necessary when I brush. The visual indicator was a nice touch, gently reminding me to ease off when my gums were feeling too much pressure. The brushing itself felt smooth and thorough, and my teeth definitely felt cleaner afterward. One of the best parts about this toothbrush is the long battery life. With a 21-day runtime on a full charge, you won't have to worry about recharging it constantly, making it perfect for travel. Plus, the included travel case ensures it stays protected wherever you go. As for the design, the Philips Sonicare 6500 has a sleek, modern look that feels durable yet lightweight. It's easy to hold, and the color adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom counter. I've been using this brush consistently for a few weeks, and I've noticed that my teeth feel smoother and look visibly whiter, thanks to the white mode. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Philips Sonicare 6500 delivers a superior cleaning experience with its multiple modes and the ability to personalize your brushing. The battery life is impressive, and the brush head design is effective for plaque removal and whitening. It's easy to use, and I love the gentle reminders from the pressure sensor. The travel case is an added bonus for those who are always on the go. On the con side, it's a bit of an investment compared to manual toothbrushes or even other electric toothbrushes. While the advanced features are great, they might be unnecessary for those who are used to simpler devices. Also, if you're looking for a brush that can give you more than just basic brushing, this might be the right fit, but it might not suit everyone's budget. When it comes to value for money, the Philips Sonicare 6500 series is priced higher than many basic electric toothbrushes, but you're paying for superior technology, customization, and quality. The added features like the app pairing, pressure sensor, and 21-day battery life justify the price for those who are serious about improving their oral health. As for alternatives, there are some more affordable electric toothbrushes out there, but few offer the same level of customization and performance as this model. Some budget-friendly options might still give you a great clean, but you may miss out on the extra features, like the app and personalized modes that come with the Philips Sonicare 6500. In terms of build quality, the Philips Sonicare 6500 feels solid and durable. The materials used for the handle and brush heads are high quality, and the battery life ensures long-term usability. If you're someone who values longevity and quality, this toothbrush delivers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about customer support. Philips is known for its responsive customer service, and if you ever run into any issues with your toothbrush, you can expect quick and efficient assistance from their team. They have a strong reputation for handling customer inquiries and concerns, which makes me feel more confident in recommending this brand. Lastly, if you're on the fence about this toothbrush, keep in mind that the Philips Sonicare 6500 is backed by a proven track record of delivering results. It may be priced higher than some alternatives, but if you're looking for a toothbrush that combines technology, effectiveness, and durability, it could be a great investment. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And as always, thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.